Hi, Ryan. Hi, Jeffrey. Hi, Anko. How are you? Hi, Kate. Hi, Mark. Okay. Well, first of all, hello. Nice to meet you all. My name is Chris. Welcome to Launchpad Mondays call. For those who are new, during this call, what we usually cover is basically one specific feature within the sales process software. And the idea would be to just navigate on how to best utilize that tool to your business, right? And by the end of the call, what we're gonna do is basically I'm gonna give you a little bit of a homework so you can post it and get the chance to earn some prizes, okay? We're gonna wait just a couple of minutes and wait until all the guests join into the meeting. So I can see here there are two more. Happy Monday, Kate. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's just wait a little bit more. Did you all get the first month of the year according to your business plans? I hope you do. My weekend was actually very good, Kate. I did hang out with some friends. I'm gonna take some days off in a couple of days as well, so I didn't start my year, I would say, yet. I'm not prepared. Okay, I think now we can start. All right, I'm gonna be sharing my screen, so just let me know, guys, if you can see it, okay? Give me 1 second. Can you see my screen now? Perfect. All right. Once you log in into the sales process app, this is the place where you would land, right? This is the dashboard, pretty basic. What we are going to cover today is basically how to set up and utilize custom fields, okay? To start up, custom fields is basically a tool that will help you out not only capturing your leads and clients information, but also organize it and use it with other tools such as forms or automations, okay? That's basically what we are going to be covering. It's pretty straightforward, very simple. If you have any questions, feel free to type it in the Zoom chat, or at the end of the call, I'm gonna give a little space for a Q&A session as well, okay? So in order to set up your custom fields, you gotta go to settings on the bottom left corner. And if you scroll down in the settings section, you would go to custom fields right here, okay? So custom fields, again, is mainly used to capture your leads or clients information, right? So these are generic custom fields that you should be having. First name, last name, email, phone. This is basic contacts information that is connected with the contact section that I'm gonna show you in just a second, okay? But in order to set up specific or customized custom fields, you can add it in here. By adding a field, you have different options for inputs, right? It could be a text input, a value, it could be several options. Let's say that you're in the real estate business and you need to know which type of property your lead wants, if it's a condo, if it's an apartment, or if it's a house. So you do have several options to choose from. This will really depend on your strategy, but I'm just gonna show you how to set it up. So let's go with single drop down. Here we have two options, right? And then let's select option one. Sorry, I think I have like a glitch in here. Okay, perfect. Let me try and add it again. You would select the specific custom field type that you want. For example, in this case, I'm gonna use a drop down, single option. Okay. Here, you would select the field name. For example, let's say gender. I think there is one for gender, but I'm just gonna show you an example. The object will be the contact here. And here you would select in which category you want this information to be in. It could be under contact or general information. Let's use contact in this case. You just add the options. Right? And then save. Once it saves, here you will see all the list of custom fields that you have, right? And then if we go back and go into contacts, once you go into your specific contacts, you will see that this panel is going to be divided in three. So in the first column, you would have your contacts information. In here, you would have the the communication channel with that contact or lead. It could be SMS, email, Facebook chat, whatever you use, right? And whatever is it's integrated already. And then in the third column, you would use you can use several tools or features such as creating tasks or notes for this specific contact, booking appointments, uploading documents, and so on. But then I want to focus on the first column. That's where your lead information or contact information would be. So as I created the custom field in here, once it's created and saved, it will appear in this column. So I already saved it in the contact section. As you can see, we have the general information, additional info, contact, and I think I added in here. Here you have all of these are custom fields that will capture all of your contact information. You can add new ones, you can create specific ones depending on your business niche. If you're using several custom fields, that can be created as well, okay? But the one I created should be at the bottom in here, gender. And since I chose the option of single dropdown, this is the option that it's gonna give me. So in here, I have the option to add the specific information manually for this specific contact. So this is one way to just add more information to this specific lead. Once it's done, you would click on save right there, and the custom field will be saved, okay? Now, since this is an automatic a manual process, there's another way to use it with your other tools. So the custom field for gender is already created. These can be also added in emails, forms, funnels, and the other tools as well. So I'm gonna give you an example on how to add it in a form. So in order to use the form, we've gotta go to sites. And then, well, under sites, not only you can create landing pages, but also tools within those landing pages, such as forms, surveys, or quizzes. We're gonna create a form in here. Okay. And let's add a new form. You have the options to create one from scratch or using a template. I would say using a template is always easier. It saves you a lot of time, and also you have several designs. But in here, as you can see, you have different custom field elements that are generic for all of you. And then if you create more specific custom fields on the left panel, you have the options to add elements, and there's an option for custom fields. Okay, these are the ones that you create. And in here, we have the option for gender. This will appear as a drop-down menu as well. Okay, these are the options, and the options can be modified in here on the right column. All right, this is very straightforward. Once you have your form edited and ready, you can save the changes on the top right corner. And there are different ways to use the form, right? You can add it in a landing page, whether it is a website or a funnel. You can use the link, but in order to use the link, you just gotta click on integrate on the top right corner next to the save button. And you can copy either the form link, or you can copy the embed code to add it into your website. Okay, this code should be copy and pasted. Okay, or you can just use the link and add it into a button. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the link just in case, and I'm gonna go back in here, and this can be sent either in an email or adding it into a funnel as well. So I'm gonna go to the funnel sections in this case, and I'm gonna go to this template. This is just a random template, okay? Perfect. Now, in here, if I go to edit this specific funnel, you're gonna see that you're able to edit all of the funnel in here, and the edition is pretty intuitive. So basically, whenever you wanna edit any element in here, just click on the element that you wanna edit, and on the right side, a right panel will appear for edition, okay? In here, you can edit the color, the size, the font, and so on. And if it's a picture, you can edit that as well. So for example, here, we have a picture, we click on the picture, and on the right side, you can change the picture, you can adjust the size, and if it has, if you wanted to add it with a link or something like that, it can be added as well. But if you want to add new elements, and this is what's important, you can add the form in here. There is an option to add the form. Let's say that I want to add it in here. And then I would select the form that I created. I don't remember the name of the form, but let's say it was this one. No, this is not the one. Let me choose the correct one. I just gotta go back to forms and see the one that I created. Recent. This is the one, form 17. So I gotta go back to funnels and just choose a template. Perfect. Let's say that I want to add the form in here again. I would select the form 17. And here we have the option for the gender, okay? Remember that if you want to add the form into a landing page, in the landing page or in the edition part in here, you cannot edit the form. That should be done under the form section, okay? Right here. So this is one way to utilize the custom fields, all right? Another way to use the custom fields is just by creating, let's say that I want to create an email. No email templates. It doesn't give me the option here. Let's go back in here to contacts. One second. My computer is glitching again. Okay. Let me try and refresh my page in here. Okay. Let's go back here. So again, one way to utilize the custom fields could be via forms or manually going into the contacts information in here, and you can edit the contacts information, okay? Here is gender, and you would save. This is one way to do it. This is a manual way to do it. Another way is using forms, right? Just as I mentioned, just going by sites, creating the forms and adding the specific custom field that you want. I'm gonna go to the 17, this one, not this one, on 17 here. You would create a custom field and then go to custom fields in here for new elements and select the correct one that you want. This is the second way to do it. And then if you want to use the form link, you can go to integrate on the top right corner and copy the link in here or copy the embed code if you want to add it into your website. That's the second way to use it. The third one is under automations. Let's go to any email template or automation template. And here, when you send an email, we're not gonna use this one. I'm just gonna create a new step, email. In here. In here as well, you can add the specific custom field by copying and pasting this information. So if we go to settings and then custom fields, here you have the unique key. If you copy and paste this into your emails or automations, this specific custom field will be added for your leads or clients to add that information, okay? Now, for the questions so far, I do see your question, Ryan. You signed up last Saturday. All right, you are not able to access your dashboard, okay? All right, I can create a ticket for you and see if we can send you another link so you can start using the your dashboard and other features, okay? Now, regarding the custom field, does anyone have any questions? I think the feature and the tool is pretty straightforward and really easy to use. What I would say as a test, you can create a test contact and start playing a little bit with this integration and this feature, okay? And then one thing that I want to show you as well is the homework for this week. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen again and let me know, guys, if you can see it. Do you see my screen now? All good? Perfect. So the idea for this week is to create basically 3 custom fields, okay? And you're gonna add those custom fields into a form. That's basically the homework for this week, okay? You're gonna just create the 3 custom fields. It could be gender, or depending on your business industry, you can tailor it according to your needs, but they have to be 3 custom fields added into a form, okay? And you're gonna take screenshot on that form with the custom field that were added, okay? Then you're gonna post it in the Facebook group chat with the hashtag sales process wins, okay? And just you gotta wait. In a couple of days, we'll announce the winners, okay? And this applies for the next month, okay? Every week we feature and we showcase different tools in the sales process software. And by the end of the month, we do a little bit of a giveaway with different prizes, okay? So one thing that I want to show you is basically the prices for this week. As you can see here, the prices are the first seat is a funnel makeover with the logo stylescape, just funnel typo, funnel background, landing page, help page, confirmation page. Okay. The second place would be 1 ticket to the next virtual implementation week. Okay. Now, in there, what you will be covering is basically the funnel structure, automations in place, just messaging, offers. You're gonna tailor your sales page, okay? And you're gonna talk about ads and drive traffic as well, okay? Now, the third place will be basically 3 scroll stopping designs and WordPress ad copies, okay? This is one type of prices that we're showcasing as of now, okay? Now, for this month and the next one, give me 1 second and I'm gonna show you the updated prices. Okay. So for this month, for January, and for next month, the first seat will be an exclusive hot seat with Pengjun, where you'll be focusing on fine-tuning your offer, optimizing your sales funnel, and expanding your traffic strategy. Okay, the second seat would be a one-on-one with Marcus, where you will be talking about traffic and ad strategy. All right, you're gonna review your ad performance and targeting. You're gonna refine your split testing techniques just for higher return on investment. Okay, and the third seat basically would get a ticket to the Internet Master Retreat Live for this year. Okay, where you'll be covering critical strategies on how to maximize and grow your business. And just for the record, the first and second seat will also receive this ticket as well, okay? And again, the homework for this week will be basically creating 3 custom fields, adding into the form, okay? And then taking a screenshot on that form, pasting it in the Facebook community group with the hashtag sales process wins, okay? Yes, the Facebook group link will be sent to you. I'm just gonna send you an SMS with that, Muhammad. And another thing that I wanted to mention is, give me 1 second. As I mentioned before, for those who are new, we usually have weekly trainings, okay? And depending on the day, the topic will be different. For Monday's call, it's gonna be with me. We usually cover one specific feature or tool within the sales process software, okay, with a homework and the chances of winning prizes and giveaways, okay? On Tuesday, you have the funnel forging. Basically, you're gonna focusing on how to build your funnels, websites, and landing pages, okay? Wednesdays, we have the feature fiesta, which is a call where they talk about new features and updates within the sales process software, okay? So all the new features can, if you have any questions on that, you can just go into this call, okay? And then on Thursdays, we have the CRM Connect, which will be covering basically the backend of your system, how to set up your CRM, how to navigate through the CRM, how to set up your email services, and just the best practices on that. And then on Fridays, we have FAQ Fridays, which is with me. Basically, on Fridays, the idea would be to cover any specific feature or pain point that you may have while utilizing the different tools. All right. I would suggest you to go into the FAQ Fridays calls if you have or if you're working already with one specific topic or tool within the system and you're stuck in there. Okay. Unlike Monday's calls, on Fridays, we don't showcase anything, so it's just more of a Q&A session, okay? All right. Well, does anyone have a question regarding the custom fields or the homework? If not, well, that would be it for today. I hope you can guys join to the other weekly trainings as well. That will be in your software on the left panel if you scroll down. So you have the office hours where you can just check the different availabilities, okay? And if you have any questions regarding the homework or the feature itself, feel free to reach out to us in the Facebook community group that I'm gonna give you, Muhammad, via SMS again, okay? All right, guys, appreciate the time. If anything, feel free to join to the other trainings and have a nice week, okay? Perfect. Bye-bye.